amazing. And that comes back to what would you do if you weren't afraid of anything. And since then, my business, We Can and We Will, has gone on to do incredible things, and this year especially. But me as a person, and I say this all the time on Nicola's page, it has given me permission to stand up right now in the middle of something and not rattle on the inside. I could have always done it on the outside, but I have full conviction. And as Nicola said, this is not a microwave work. It was the milestones for the last 18 months that fully I have come into knowing who I am, knowing and understanding my values, surround myself with greatness, and all the stuff that you've learned this morning, I've ticked them off the box. So if I can do that, walked in here 18 months ago and knew nobody, like a lot of you this morning, and I came in this morning, I felt like a fucking celebrity. Everybody knew who I was because I've made great friends within the room. Because this work is hard and your old tribe will go. So make sure that you're clued in today to the people that you've met, because we're all on this journey. But I'm a testimony to this work and to this lady who taught me all the stuff, the integrity, the love, because she lives it. And when you hang around with people and you pal around, whether it's social media or real life, with people who are congruent, I had to Google that word,